Welcome back everyone to Foxtecc. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of showing and managing bookmarks on Google Chrome using your iPad, whether you're looking to organize your favorite websites or just want to make sure you can access them easily across all your devices. This video has got you covered. When it comes to bookmarks on Google Chrome, especially on your iPad or even your iPhone, the process of accessing and managing them is quite straightforward. Now, while I'm not entirely sure what specific goal you have in mind, whether you're looking to organize a large collection of bookmarks or just want quick access to a few favorite sites, I'll walk you through the general steps to get you started. First off, let's talk about what bookmarks are in the context of Google Chrome on your iPad. Essentially, bookmarks allow you to save and organize websites that you want to revisit later. It's a powerful tool for anyone who spends a lot of time browsing the web and wants to keep track of useful or interesting sites. To add a bookmark on your iPad, simply tap the star icon in the address bar while you're on the website you want to save. This action will instantly bookmark the page, making it easy to come back to it whenever you need. Your bookmarks are saved in folders within Chrome, which you can organize, rename, and rearrange according to your preferences. This makes it easy to keep everything tidy, especially if you have a lot of bookmarks. To access your bookmarks, tap on the three dots menu located in the top right corner of the Chrome app. From the drop-down menu, select Bookmarks, and you'll see all your saved websites neatly listed. One of the great things about using Google Chrome is that your bookmarks sync across all devices that are logged into the same Google account. This means you can start browsing on your iPad and easily pick up where you left off on your PC or any other device with Chrome installed. This is why it's a good idea to use Google Chrome while logged into your Google account. It ensures that your settings and bookmarks are consistent across all your devices. Whether you're using your iPad, your phone, or your desktop, your bookmarks will be right there, ready for you. There's also another handy option if you want to access a website even more quickly. When you're browsing a specific site on your iPad using Chrome, you can tap the share icon and select Add to Home Screen. This will create an icon on your home screen similar to an app, making the website even more accessible with just one tap. If you're someone who uses multiple browsers, you'll be pleased to know that Chrome allows you to import bookmarks from other browsers or export them to other devices. This feature is particularly useful if you're transitioning from another browser or want to ensure your bookmarks are available everywhere. Additionally, Chrome has a reading list feature. If you enable this, you can save articles or web pages to read offline later. This is somewhat similar to bookmarks, but is designed specifically for content you want to read at another time, even when you don't have an internet connection. Finally, it's important to note that your bookmarks are stored in Chrome's cloud. This means that even if you need to reinstall the app or switch to a new device, your bookmarks will still be there, ready to be accessed whenever you log back in. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how to manage and show your bookmarks on Google Chrome using your iPad. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more helpful content like this. See you guys later.